Oh yeah, that's a proper Mini. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're out in MJ.
Yep.
Finally, she's fully legal. With MOT, all the welding's been done. James has done loads of mechanical work. We've got bits and pieces still want to do, but she's got a clean bill of health.
Yeah.
Another list of bits and pieces we still want to do.
Oh, it's a never-ending project as always.
No. But I'm sure you've probably seen from the sort of bit of the beginning here. She's loud. We're sat in traffic right now, and that cam.
It's a very lumpy cam.
So especially Graham, that's like, we want to see you drive this car. It wants to be driven hard. It's a lovely car.
It's a lovely car, and so yeah, sit back, enjoy the B-roll, and enjoy what we're doing, and we're going to do a little review and
watch our faces as we keep pulling through the gears.
Yeah. And we'll catch you in a bit, I think.
Yeah. Proper Mini. Yeah, we can hear ourselves.
We can hear ourselves now, yeah.
Trying. Let's go for it. What was that, Fiesta?
I don't know. Right, so we've got MJ back on the road, and of course, nice Sunday morning, we've decided to take your classic out.
Hit the back roads.
Hit the back roads, have some fun.
Everyone's out.
Everyone's out, yeah. So a lot of people are asking about the John Cooper features. Obviously, it is an original factory conversion from John Cooper. It's still, a lot of the purists will say it's not original, not correct, but it's still got a lot of what was there.
Yeah.
And we'll just wait for this. Cut that out. So there's things that you might have noticed from the original video when Mark had it up north. So the things you might notice from the original video when Mark had it up north is that we've actually put the original correct John Cooper stickers on. So
those were different.
So they actually look like the Cooper S. So we actually had the other Cooper S stickers, which were used towards the end of the MPIs, I believe. We weren't quite confused. We were a little bit confused by what was there. Obviously the reg isn't actually a works plate provided by John Cooper. We've put that on. It actually means quite a bit to my dad for what the numbers do, etc. Yeah. Obviously the red Cooper badges, that was all John Cooper. Correct. The SI badge that I believe came off a Ford Fiesta, correct, that is correct. John Cooper did put that on. It should have the 1.3. We're gonna go find the 1.3. Yeah. We're gonna get a new 1.3. Originally it would have been side exit exhaust. We've gone for centre Maniflow. It's just more of a look, and to be honest, we think it sounds quite nice.
Yeah. And a recent addition is the fog light.
New fog light just under the bumper there, which we actually quite like. And obviously it would have had mini lights out of John Cooper factories as well, on 12-inch wheels. It's been dropped to 10. The stripes, the stickers would have been original. Of course, you've all seen it before. Where Mark's done the nice repair down here, he's put the door, what are they called? Door plates or kick plates, that's the word, kick plates. And obviously the genuine plaque from Cooper where he put that on. So obviously, in addition to that, we had the motor liter steering wheel with John Cooper on there.
It's so nice to hold.
It is so nice, yeah. And he would have put the dash in. He would have put the John Cooper branded dials in the middle here. The centre console bit we got here is actually my dad just recently put this in. He just wanted to finish it off, and it actually works really well, I think, although it gives you very little clutch space, but it does work. Obviously the kit on the door, the Cooper handle, all from John Cooper. So the leather door cards, the wood, the walnut effect, actually I think it is real walnut. Trim on the door cards there, screwed onto the top, was all John Cooper. The seats, original Metro seats, but being re-upholstered in leather that I believe John Cooper sourced from America, and that is on the original receipt as well. And the same with the back, it's all rear door cards with the walnut. You got the rear passenger seats, which no one's actually seen yet. And actually, another thing John Cooper did, inertia seat belts. He put those in from standard. He didn't like the normal adjust yourself ones, so and that was pretty much what he did in the interior. Oh, we need to put the light back in. Let's see that.
So really, it was a basic Rover Cooper that just had the go faster bits and a bit of styling, didn't it?
It was. I believe he also put the leather gator on as well, on both.
Flush, wasn't it?
Oh, we forgot about the gear knob, quite famous gear knob, the John Cooper one there. The same with that. It was all, he put the leather interior in, made it look really nice. And some people have actually started to comment on this, that the start button, no, obviously his injection never had a choke to start with, it would have just been blanked. But we'll just I'll just demonstrate. I still have to use the key, obviously security, and turn the immobiliser off, and it does light up blue as well if you really, if you want to know where the start button is at night time. But on the button, quite literally.
So cool, that.
Yeah. Obviously it's not push to stop either, so you have to take the key out for that. But apart from that, that's really what John Cooper did. He put everything that he thought was the best for a Mini in there, and that's how it ended up this.
Yeah.
Just giving him a face mask.
So he can, this guy over here can afford a McLaren but couldn't afford a face mask.
Face mask.
What is going on?
Also, no front number plate.
No front number plate, yeah, just noticed that. Oh well.
It's green.
Yeah.
I think I prefer this green car.
Yeah. So we've been for a good blast. It's been fun. It's been nice being out. And I haven't been in this car for donkey's years, so it's been good. And we have to finish it off. So quick shout out to McDonald's. McDonald's breakfast time, isn't it?
It is McDonald's breakfast, it's back.
Yeah.
So happy.
So we're going to take this lumpy cam around the drive-through.
Try not blast the McDonald's employees.
Yeah, I love how a McLaren's just pulled up and then the police walk in after as well. That's interesting.
I swear I thought the police car went through the drive-through. Yeah, I think that sums up MJ for now, I think. Yeah,
so there's loads more to come. James has got loads of jobs to do. I've obviously got some more welding in the winter to do. But to answer everyone's questions, it is getting done, the door skins. The car needs to be driven. You've just seen that. It has to be on the road for the rest of this year. So yeah.
Try and catch whatever last shows we can.
Exactly, yeah. So if they happen. Yeah, and please do keep an eye out and come say hi to me or James if you see us at shows. MJ's based normally in the south of the country, so it'll be probably a southern show, but we do like doing mileage. Driven, not trailered and all that, so
done a lot of mileage.
Yeah. Well, what's this car done? 108,000 in its life?
108,000 miles.
Yeah, so we're not afraid of mileage. No. There is another police car.
Yeah.
Going off topic again. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the John Cooper. It's not the end of it. It's going to be still part of the channel.
Oh, and there's going to be tweaks and mods throughout the next.
We really want to do a track day. Should we do a track day next year?
I think we'll have to do a track teaser, because I think we just need to see how she'll perform.
Yeah.
Because we don't want to push her too hard.
No, we won't push her hard, but I think she needs to be on a track.
We'll go to a track evening, I think, where you get like a couple of 15,
an amateur day.
Get a 15-minute session, maybe 2 of those. Just give her a blast, but I don't want to wear her out.
I think she should have a good good drive round.
yeah.
Like Jane said, got to look after it. Yeah, thank you for watching, guys. If you haven't already, go check out our website for some stickers. A lot of you guys have been asking for them. They are now for sale. And
More
also
designs coming soon.
there is, yeah, we're working on that. Also check out our sponsors Frost and link description below. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. That's all from us. We're going to go and eat McDonald's. Catch you soon. We left some 11s. Naughty boy. Bye bye tyre rubber.